So what I did was let my students make a scratch. So what I want every student to do is you can pick a sprite, which you can pick multiple characters from, bats, or ducks, anything if you want to make it a cartoon, realistic. But what I want you to do is to be able to show that you can make a sprite, which is a character, fly. So preferably pick something with wings. And these costumes, if I click this. So these costumes are, see, the costume bat D is when it's closed and the A is when it's open. So when you click it, it like keeps switching back and forth and it makes it look like it's flying. And I want you to be able to do that. So when you're trying to do that, you want to pick when something is clicked. So that's going to be event. When whatever is clicked, it's going to happen. Like you can attach what's going to happen. So see, when N is pressed, they're going to say, I'm just flying around for 2 seconds. You can pick however long you want it to speak. So we're going to click these with this click. Press start. No, nope, I gotta click it. All right. And then press N, and it ends. So I press space first because this is when space is pressed, the duck says something. So at first, the beginning, the bat is just flying around. So I want you to do something like that, or if you can do it in the middle of it when it's changing scenes, whatever you want. And you can pick whatever background you want. If you click on this, choose a backdrop. There will be multiple you can pick from. You pick this to choose a sprite. Don't forget to press events. So before you add what the sprite is going to do, you have to press something in order for it to do it, just so they're all not happening at once. And make sure that there's time for 2 seconds, and then the duck, for 2 seconds, waits 5 seconds, just so it gives it that realistic feel so they're not overlapping.